G3 Ranch back today out in the shop. Just gonna smoke a few tenderloins while I unbox the new saw. Well, a couple Sawmill Outfeed tables built, some legs, build a couple more tomorrow. Then I'm going to make some temporary tops out of wood, get the rollers mounted to those, and then kind of see where I want the rollers for the outfeed. For all the lumber coming off the mill. Then once I get that nailed down, then I'll build steel frames for the rollers. Got some 2-foot rollers, some 12-inch rollers to put together. Yeah. Well, there's my first prototype roller bench for my Sawmill Outfeed. My theory is my mill's going to be up a bit. I'm going to have a little conveyor out off my conveyor off the sawmill, be on an angle. Then those tight rollers will catch the boards, and by then she should be level. Just going to be a slight angle onto this, and then roll them off and put them in their stacks.